My name is Dr. Szilard Voros. I'm a physician, a cardiologist, and I'm also the founder and chief executive officer of G3Therapeutics. We are a biotechnology company using biological big data, including genetics, to tackle diseases that are very serious to mankind. I would like to tell you very briefly what we're working on right now, and of course, we are working on trying to tackle the problem of the coronavirus. So it turns out coronavirus that is going around today causing this incredible pandemic is similar to the SARS virus that was going around about 2 decades ago. And I would like to explain to you something very important about the coronavirus. And when somebody's exposed to the virus gets inside our body, but in order to cause infection, the virus has to get inside the cells. And we know that there are at least 2 proteins in the human body that are very important in terms of the virus getting inside the cells. Think about these as the door or the gateway that the virus uses to get inside the cell. So what happens is the virus is in the body and goes to the cells, and there's a protein called ACE2. And the virus binds to this ACE2 protein. There's a second protein, another enzyme that cleaves the virus at that point, and at that time the virus gets inside the cell, and that's how the infection starts. So what we're doing at G3Therapeutics is we're taking the data that we have developed, and we have looked at the genome of thousands and thousands of people, all 6 billion letters in the genetic code, and we are now looking at this ACE2 protein, trying to identify variants in that protein. We're trying to look for variants that could actually make somebody resistant to the virus. Just imagine if we were able to find people in the population who are actually resistant. We're able to tell them, you will not get the infection. You can go back to work. These people could actually go and prop up the economy while we are working to actually cure the disease through antiviral therapies and through novel molecules that shut down this molecule. So if you look here, we're actually looking at this ACE2 protein itself, and we are now able to identify variants. And if we can show that these variants are protective, we can then leverage this to find people who will not get sick even if they're exposed. And if we can leverage this data, we may be able to come up with some medicines that actually shut the virus out of the cells. And that would be an incredible breakthrough in curbing this pandemic.